Hi guys, thank you for checking this out. This is my premier membership on my YouTube channel where you get to have me live once a month. Yes guys, I developed this premier membership so that you have access to me where I can demonstrate and show you and teach and mentor you in your fashion dilemmas. You'll get live demonstrations and answering all of your questions with the support of this wonderful group. Once a month on the first Monday of every month, I join you live in order to teach, inspire, and mentor you. And this is usually 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it is for 1 hour you have with me and the group. And guys, when you join, please reach out and email me at eliascouture@gmail.com. Give me your email address so I can put you on a list and let you know ahead of time also that Zoom link for the Monday meeting. And before the meeting, you get to email me and ask me any kind of question that may need a demonstration, and I will pick one and demonstrate it on that Monday. See you soon.